quick look, taking a look at my website. There's a lot of things on here. I won't show you guys everything, but as we scroll down, first thing you're going to see right here is a little form that you can fill out, which I'll show you guys that in a second, if you guys would like this service from me as well. So these are all designs. Actually, I'll click on it. These are all designs that I've made. A lot of these are my own designs. The second half are all designs that I've done for other people. So as my, little resume and stuff, my portfolio, there's the word I'm looking for. My portfolio increases. I will be adding more images and things and stuff that I have made for people. Just a few. There it is. And I'm going to show you guys, some more that I'm working on. Let's see, if you were to click my equipment, for everybody that asks me, what do I use and what machine is this and what machine is that? As I learn more and more about embroidery, what I have been doing is actually updating my website. You guys ask me about the needles and stuff. Your needles are breaking. What material do I sew on and all that different type of stuff. As I gain this knowledge, just check my website. That's what it's there for. That way I can answer everybody's questions, in a bunch instead of replying back to the same DM that I get over and over and over. Let me show you guys this real quick. How easy it is to submit a file. I'm not going to actually go through the whole thing, but where it says click here to get started, boom, click there to get started. You can watch a little video and things of how it's done. Again, I'm not going to play it right now. If you guys want to know how much, the average price does start at $18. Your name, your email, let me know exactly what you want. If you have your own machine, or if you need me to make the patches and stuff like that for you, you browse the file, attach the picture that you need me to send, let me know what machine is for, and anything else, such as, I want you to change the color of this or whatever, or can you change the font and different stuff like that. That's where the different prices range from. So this is just a quote of how it goes. So now that we've done this, let's jump over to how it's done. All right, guys, so now we are over in the program. One of the programs that I use is called, please click the card that pops up on this video and go over and subscribe to my other channel to watch this full video. Make sure you guys don't miss out, because I will now be uploading the majority of all of my tutorials over on my other channel. Here's the exact picture that I was sent in my email. They wanted this turned into an embroidery file. So first thing I had to do is actually get the main piece of this image. So they sent all this black space, and I'm gonna show you guys the what I kind of go through when I have to get a file ready. So first things first, and now that I have the background selected, I'm just going to boom, delete it, right? We don't need it. And we're gonna throw that and paste that color right there just to change that whole background. We're gonna say okay. Let's go back to the image. Next thing we need is the other color. So y'all getting mad confusing right this, and you guys got to understand, I'm not really new to it, but I am new. Boom, I don't need it. Boom, delete. Boom, delete. Delete. Don't forget the little small pieces within these little letters and stuff like that too. Very crispy. You can zoom in a million times, right? And those lines are crispy, baby. And I mean crispy. Fried chicken crispy, baby. Hot sauce on the side, please. And I use this program to actually separate each individual letter. So as you guys can see, I'm turning these switches on and off. I know they're kind of in random order right now, but the next program is what I actually use to put them in the correct order, which I can also do in this program, but this is just a real quick thing. I've been recording for a couple minutes now on the fly. Now you guys are looking at the actual program right here, and look at the results of this right here. So I'm going to show you guys, this is real quick, just a behind the scenes of what a graphic designer, whatever you want to call me, a digitizer, ends up doing with your files. So I layered everything. As you guys can see, I broke it down. These are all still separated. So I have the a little stitch around right there with the border just to get the white border on the image. I have an overlay of the red right there, and then I have a final image of the yellow on top. So yeah, let me just go ahead and press play on the file, show you guys exactly how it looks as it's stitching out. I'll speed it up so you guys don't have to watch this whole entire thing. Keep practicing, guys. Keep getting better. Again, if you guys need any of my services, contact me and let's work. See y'all in the next video. Peace. For everybody that always asks me, how does the machine know to change colors? Well, it tells you it's going to take 9 minutes to do the red, and then after it does all the red, the machine will stop. It will tell you to change the color to, the harvest gold, as it says right there. You would put the harvest gold or whatever color thread you want into the machine. You would thread it up as the machine tells you to do exactly so right there. And then when you're ready, you would press, the button right there. It will be green and, ready to go. It's not ready right now because I'm just showing you guys, but it will be all done. And then when it's done, it'll say, ta-da, finished embroidering right there on the screen. And there you go. You have a project made in 20 minutes sewn on whatever you want, guys. So Hope you guys found this video helpful. Again, go ahead and thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm ready to work on the next project. Contact me. Let's go.